after that I'm trying to break. It's just a toy, not real. So I will remove it. Then you guys can know when I'm going to build it again. Ma, what if I download my videos to YouTube? Then everybody, maybe they will have a lot of likes and subscribes. No, right, Ma? I will tell Cora how to update put my videos in Almost done, guys. So here are the parts. Those. So I will build it again. I will show you guys how to build it. Step 1. Put this one. Step 1. You need to close this. Then put the glass, the green glass. Can you see this? But it's kind of difficult.
Wala kang tira sa baon mo kanina. Wala kang tira. Saan mo? Nandun mo. Turo mo sa akin yan, paano? Ha?
You need to put these screws inside the helicopter body.
Ito yung pinag-charge niya? Ay, ito ilok mo.
Ito charge.
Dun sa sa charger. Okay. So, yung full bar na siya.
Hindi na siya nag-robot. Bago mo i-connect, labas mo dito. Alright! Can you teach me how to download my videos to YouTube? Because I'm making one right now. Please, just for 5 minutes. Just for 5 minutes.
Taas yun yan. Yan.
Huwag mo kayo pindutin dito.
Oo, pabili ako kay Daddy. Hinahal mo mga kalak ko! Wow, kayo rin mo ngayong gabi. Masalit ko yan. Basta on kaya mo pag-achinig ka dito. Makanan dyan on.
Makon automatic.
Automatic yan.
Tapos kapag pitan mo automatic ka, kabit may king.
Pasalit ang lagi. Happy ka pa rin. Siyempre, 3,000 plus.
Then, you don't see the glass here. I can put my finger in. So, I will teach you how to put it in. Put like this. Put like this. it's already on. Then get the glass here. Then get a screw. Not a real screw, it's just a toy screw. Then screw it in with the screwdriver.
Na? Yung kapangga? 34 na la as of this time. As of 6 p.m. Uwa metong.
Screw it in. Then this is the lamp thing, so you just put it in. Oh my gosh, now it's missing one screw on tweet. I need to get off this screw because I remember what it looked like in the first place. There is that yellow screw. It's here. Then you put this one. Okay, wait. Then we're already done with the land thing, the feet. Now you do the helipad. This one, the heli. Okay, here's the helipad, and tomorrow I will make a more other video. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to subscribe to my videos, all you have to do is search for my name in YouTube or YouTube Kids. Bye.